Okay. The member experience from the member portal view is important for admins to understand and be familiar with because it is how your members interact with the platform. A better understanding of the member portal will help you provide more efficient assistance to your members. A better understanding of the member portal will help you provide more efficient assistance to your members. We are starting with the admin view, which is what you and other admins will see upon login. From here, we'll navigate to the member portal, which is what your members will see. Each admin has a member account, but every member does not have an admin account. It indicates when the next membership payment is due for those levels that require it, and will give members the option to renew membership. The Inbox tab will show any emails, broadcasts, payment forms. The Events tab will show upcoming events and invitations. The Photos tab will display your group's photo albums. This is a networking tool that your members can use to communicate with each other. Members can search for other members by name, and from a member's profile they can send an in-platform email or direct message to that member. Members can view recurring payments they have set up, view their frequency, and they can manage or cancel those from here. Here a member can view their profile information and update it as needed or requested by their admin. If the members group has membership cards set up, this is where they can view and print them as needed. The member card is also viewable from the Member Planet app. This is where members can set up or change their privacy settings, which includes making their profile viewable to other members or making it completely private. Here is where a member can manage all of their payment information, including adding and removing credit cards on file.
For more assistance, please visit support.memberplanet.com.